So what's up guys, I'm in the computer shop. Then that time is computer is closed. Then I drop a coin. Then I open it. Then I wait. Then it's open. Then I go to Excel. That's the so I'm pass forward. Then that time. So as you can see, that time I make the video about the shortcut, computer shortcut case. So that's in the top. That's the name of the computer shop that I use, the Smear computer. So I only animate it because that time it's evening. So enjoy watching.
Kada adlaw para mabuhi, rag naglabigar tas dagat. Di balik kayo ng abariya, yung maabtan pa sa bagat. Problema ang gabot-abot, magtagbo, murag bakat. Pero dili ra nakatarong, basta sa pambot. Pagampuin mo gidapat, yung pasagdi mo kagalingon.